Hello everybody, welcome to Mobil Masterton. I've decided to start with the camera already on the dashboard today, it's just easier. This is a Mobil, one of the few Mobils that still has an old car wash. But it's not just any old car wash. This Mobil has still got an original Istobal M12. This is one of only 2 of these machines left anywhere in the country. I think there might be a couple of M12 pluses somewhere, but that's about it. Now, a couple of preparations first of all, which I should have done beforehand, is I need to pull my door mirrors in. That's that one, and this one. Okay, let's put the code in, 2147. Enter wash, it says. Okay, let's go. Put it in fucking drive, that would help. Now, okay, so this one's actually trestle activated. Let's go nice and slowly. I cannot believe I'm doing this. Here we go. Okay, we're in. Let's switch on. Oh no, it's telling me to go forwards again. Okay. Here we go. There we go. And we've started. Excellent. Blimey, look at those brushes. Now, I've done a number of Istobal car washes over the years. I've done a few MNEX 22s, which is actually what Mobil are buying nowadays. Oh, blimey, brushes start at the back. I have been in an MNEX 32. I've never been in one of these. Now, this car wash actually originally had red and blue brushes, but at some point the brushes have been swapped out for these plain blue ones. I have a feeling that these might have come from the machine in Gisborne when that got replaced a couple of years ago, because I know that one had plain blue brushes. Now, we're quite lucky that this machine is still here. Apparently, so I'm told by the very nice man in the shop, that this petrol station was supposed to be getting a full redevelopment a couple of years ago, and COVID kind of put a stop to that. And that's kind of why this wash is still here. There's actually a few different car washes in the Wairarapa. Well, not in the Wairarapa, but certainly here in Masterton. There's 3 other car washes, so there's a little bit of competition in the area. I mean, at the very least, the brushes all get rid of that bird crap that's on my roof. To be honest, I don't even really care if this car wash is actually good. I'm just here to enjoy this old machine whilst I still can. It's obviously doing the wheel wash there. I think historically, I mean, Mobil has had a long relationship with Istobal, because they did originally install the old M10s. Unfortunately, those are extinct now. There's none of those left anywhere in the country. And then they went on to the M12s. I think they've got one M12 Plus somewhere down at the bottom of the South Island. And then obviously nowadays Mobil are installing the M12, so Mobil have used other brands over the years as well. They've used WashTec and PDQ and Ryco, but they do have a long history with Istobal. Now I got a $15 wash, which is actually the top wash package here. We're already going on to drying. So you don't get much for your $15 wash. You get one pass of soap, you get you get 2 passes on the brush. Oh, sorry, I tell a lie, $17. God, you don't get much for your works wash, do you? I mean, I have to say that 17 is still less than you would pay for, say, an M12 at a Mobil that has one of those. Because they're upwards of like $20 now, because I know all the prices have been going up recently. Because, you know, you go down to one of the ones, you know, in my part of Wellington where I live that's, you know, got an M12, you know, they're charging upwards of $20 for the top wash on their machines. So 17 for this is kind of reasonable, considering that it doesn't give you as good of a wash. Mind you, I kind of had a similar thing when I did the old WashTec Soft Care Intro in Silverstream, which has obviously been replaced now, because that I bought a top wash on that and I didn't think that actually offered all that much. And I think this is a similar sort of thing, but again, it's an older machine and I think the standards of what people expect from a car wash package have sort of changed. See the top of the machine there? Okay, let's put the car back on the dashboard, because I dare say we'll be heading out of here in a second. Put the seatbelt on. Look at that, you've got a nice view of the sign-in shop there. Yep. Okay, let's go. Let's make a nice better job of getting out than I did of getting in. I'm not used to going in car washes that have got those trestles that you have to put your front wheel into. I'm not used to that, because so many modern car washes these days just use sensors to know where your car is. Well, that was great fun, ladies and gentlemen. I really do hope that you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.